You might have heard that craving sour food or feeling a bit nauseous can signal pregnancy. But how true is that? And when can you actually know for sure you're pregnant? Hi, I'm Dr. Pooja Bansal, a consultant gynecologist in Navi Mumbai. Today, you're going to talk about the very first month of pregnancy. It's an exciting time, but also a confusing one for many women. What early signs should you look for? What's happening inside your body and with your baby? And most importantly, how can you take care of yourself in this phase? Let's go step by step. So, when you should actually do a pregnancy test? Can you test a few days after intercourse? Not really. After intercourse, it takes time for the sperm to fertilize egg and then fertilized egg to implant in the uterus. Pregnancy tests work by detecting a hormone called HCG, which is only produced after the fertilized egg attaches itself to the uterus. This usually takes 6 to 8 days after ovulation, and then it takes few more days for the hormone level to rise enough to show up in the urine. That's why the right time to test is after you have missed your periods, not just few days after sex. Testing too early can give a false negative even if you're pregnant. Think of it as letting your body give a clear signal before checking. Now you might ask, what changes start happening if your body is in first month of pregnancy? In the very first month, most of the women don't even realize they are yet pregnant, but inside big changes are happening. At the same time, progesterone levels rise to support the pregnancy. That's why you may feel little tired, have mood swings, notice breast heaviness or tenderness. Some women experience mild cramp or a light spotting. That's often implantation bleeding. You might also feel nausea, bloating, food craving, or aversions, though not everybody has these symptoms so early. Internally, your uterus lining thickens and blood supply increases to nourish the embryo. So, even if you cannot see a baby bump yet, your body is already working overtime to create a safe, healthy environment for your baby right from the day one. But are these symptoms the same for every pregnant woman? Not at all. Every pregnancy is unique, and so are the symptoms. Some women may feel all the classic signs of nausea, fatigue, mood change, while others hardly notice anything in the first month. Even same woman can have different experience in each pregnancy. What matters is not comparing yourself with others, but listening to your own body, staying in touch with your gynecologist if notice anything unusual. What is your baby's development in the first month? Your baby in the first month is just a tiny embryo, about the size of poppy seeds. It's very small and doesn't look like a baby yet. But amazing things are happening. Your baby brain, spinal cord and heart are starting to form. Tiny birds that will become arms and legs are also developing. It's a very beginning of an incredible journey. By the end of 4 weeks, a tiny heart may even start beating, though it's too early to hear it on ultrasound. Isn't that incredible? From something so small, life is already taking a shape. So if you have just found out that you're pregnant, here's what you need to do for the first month. Focus on a balanced diet. Fruits, vegetable, whole grains, protein, plenty of water. Do not forget prenatal vitamins, especially folic acid, to support your baby's development. Eat small, frequent meal instead of waiting until you're hungry. It helps with nausea and keeps your energy up. Stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, avoid heavy and very spicy food if they upset your stomach. Avoid alcohol, smoking and heavy workouts. Light exercise like walking, prenatal yoga is perfect. Get enough rest and manage stress. And most importantly, book your first visit as soon as you confirm pregnancy. Early checkups keep you and your baby safe. So in the first month, your baby is beginning to grow and your body is adjusting in many ways. Early symptoms are normal, but every pregnancy is unique. Pay attention to your body and take care of yourself as you start this journey. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share or subscribe for more pregnancy related content.